everybody, this is Nathan once again coming to you from IBIX North America, and in front of me today you'll notice I have one of our lovely systems called the Apollo. The thing that sets this one apart from all the others is you'll notice here we actually have a dual tank system. Now what this is, it means that let's say you're blasting on something like a delicate wood and you're trying to get rid of a little bit of mold. So you'll probably be using something more like a baking soda or a very fine material for that. Now let's say you want to switch to blasting off a little bit of maybe some fire damage, some of that scorching that might have happened on that wood. All you'll have to do is come over to our gun right here, flip that switch, it's going to switch your tank, and then you can switch to a little bit more of a harsh, more abrasive type of blasting media. That being said, this gun right here you can actually have equipped with the separate water connection, of course, just like all of our other machines. You can opt for a fan spray nozzle that we do offer with some of our other machines as well. But the main thing with this is you can actually adjust your pressure, your water, and then what media you want all on the gun. So it makes it very easy for any of your users that are out on the field that are trying to save on time. When purchasing this piece of equipment, it's going to come equipped with, of course, your funnel and your sifter so that you can sift through any of those mold particles, maybe some paint or heavy coatings, just to make sure they're not going through your machine. Now another thing that does come with this is the 30-foot hose. Of course that's going to be great for maybe leaving the system out on the trailer and just bringing the gun with you for whenever you need to get those jobs in and out. Also the pressure control and the abrasive controls are also right here and here. You can adjust them based on which tank you are trying to get and how much abrasive you want coming through those lines at a time. You can have them set at different points, just depending if you want to do that delicate blasting on one end of the tank and some high-powered blasting on the other side. Now, if you guys want to go a little bit more in-depth with this piece of equipment, please feel free to reach out to us at 727-322-4611, or you can email us at sales@ibixusa.com. Thank you guys very much for watching today. It's been a pleasure, and you guys have a good one. We do offer financing for every piece of equipment here at IBIX, so feel free to ask us how. Restore, maintain, protect. Made easy with IBIX.